Welcome to NXG Markets. This is Mohsen Ismail. If this is your first time that you're joining in, then please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for future updates. And this is going to be a very interesting video because it is connected with the videos that we have made in the past. Now, before we begin, let me just inform you that the video that we're making is not supposed to be taken as the financial advice. It is the video that we are making only and only for the education purpose. Thank you. So let's begin. Let's understand as to how the market is going to be today. As today being Monday, August 11th. There are not a lot of special news as such. So majorly, the market is going to run on a technical basis, which we will understand exactly what might happen. Now, when we look at the news in the news section for the BBC that we generally try to cover, well, we have, of course, a few of the news which is coming in only from the Israel-Gaza plans, which happened even last week, which was been informed in the last video. So, apart from that, not a lot of new major news that could impact a lot, which states as to how gold might react today in today's market. We try to understand. Now, let me just take you directly through the technical aspect of what it is for today. Now, this is where the market we would take this as the point of the day today, that is 3390. You can keep that in mind. You can make a note of it, which is going to be very, very important. Now, when we look at a 3390, that has been, and now the market has reached a little downwards as well. I really apologize to making the video a little late today. But if the market keeps going down, then we can expect it to certainly from here, as we know that the first point was 3381. Okay, and after that, if it goes further down, just like it has, this is your next target of 3370. This is a very important point, 3370. Make a note of that, because this is one point where you might get a strong support. Okay, and so you might see a little bit of retrace from here as well, back in here. And if this does not cross this, and if it goes further below than this, then we have this mark of 3345, which was discussed last time, which is a very strong support for people to understand that this is the place where you can always try and book your profits or hold on to it. So this is what the sell position for today is going to look like. And the market is certainly, because if you look at a lot of speeches which has come from Mr. Trump in regards with the tariff, then yes, we see that there are a lot of things that are happening, and a lot of initiation being taken from Mr. Trump, and that is what is affecting the market today. We need to also know that Mr. Trump has given a lot of information in regards with what are his plans, which are related to even different industries in terms of the different commodities. Now, what happens is, on all these commodities are being considered, and he wants to revive the industry, whether it is steel, aluminium, copper, and if Mr. Trump wants to revive the industry in America, like it was in 1980s and 70s, then I think it is a bold move which has been made by Mr. Trump, and that is what is certainly creating the fuzz in the forex market, even for gold. And you see gold coming down a little further from how it was on average, because if you look at this point, since a long time gold was within this particular range, and now it has come down. So apart from that, this is what the gold looks like when if it falls. However, if it goes above 3390, then you can expect it to first go up to 3405, try to come down and retest this level. And if it does not, then it will certainly go up to 3423 to 3425, try it down here, and then touch its 3441 mark. Now, this mark is again exactly as important as the way we have taken the marks of your low. So today's range, which you need to keep in mind, is from 3390 downwards with a bearish movement up to 3344 or 45. Now, before 4445, now this is one of these part where we have a very good buy position for a swing position. However, between that, you might want to consider 3350 area as well, which is really very important. So you might get a retrace or a reversal from here as well. So just kindly be careful while trading or while making the decision of what you're going to trade on. Yes, then upward moments is something. So the range today is going to be 3344 to 3440 or 4445. Keep this in mind, trade wisely, because it's after all your own real hard-earned money. And that's all I have for you today for today's gold analysis. However, we have something really very important. I would want you to look at the video that we made in the past in terms of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which was an interesting one. And the reason why we say interesting is because as per the video, as to whatever we discussed in that video, whether it was for Bitcoin and Ethereum, you look at the market now and you will come back to us. And you must have liked that video though. Do watch this BTC and Ethereum video which we made in the past. I will put in the link down below in the comment section. Please go through it, because this is one of the best things that has happened, and this is again the opportunity. And there was a special video that I promised, which I will certainly upload it very very soon, and that is going to be the game changer, and the information that it has, it's going to blow your mind. So stay tuned, and always please hit on the bell icon so that you keep getting the updates of what is exactly happening in the current Forex market. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day and life.